Hi everybody, it's Kai Jacobs here, Brothers J Guitars and Repair, and today I'm going to start winding them pickups I've been talking about. You're not going to see my face, but you'll see what I'm doing. Here's my wire. Tomorrow we'll wind them, but we'll just get the bases together. I've already done one, so I'll show you guys how I was doing it. These are non-magnetic posts, so I had to get magnets. Wow. And they're gonna go there just like that. Shit. They're gonna go just like that. After I wind the pickup, of course, but that's how it's gonna be. And the wires are gonna come from there. So it's probably that side because it sticks better. I do have a north and south magnet. I just I'm not using it. All right. So what I found today was here's 2, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Isn't that the coolest thing? So that's, I forget which one's red, south. Alright. I forget which one's north and south. I'll figure it out later. So anyway, these don't really fit. I mean, they don't fit. They're tight. They're too tight. So I've had to ream these out with 1, 2, boop, 1, 2. So we do that with all of them across the board. 12 times 2 is 24. We're going to do this 24 times. Which is fine. You got to be careful though. If you do it too much, you'll ream the hole out way too fat. I don't even give it a push. I just kind of let it ride in there. If it's really hard to get in there, I mean, you can use some force, but be careful because this thing will break. And if it breaks, then you're out of commish. And I think I'm going to add a spot of glue like everybody else does too, because it's just security. See, be careful. You can't push, man. I almost filled that one too much. So there's that part. I actually need one more post so we can make sure these holes aren't too big as well. Make sure I'll fit, because I gotta be able to press them down over these and then make the pickup, you know what I mean? Make the pickup right. This one you don't necessarily need to do both sides. But you do gotta make sure you get them good enough. Shit. Ooh, close. Ooh, close. Not enough. That just scares me. Shit. See? Look. See how easy that is? It's my name. I just try to make sure that these are flat, as flush as possible. Alright, we'll put the one that's too big on the very end here. Then make sure the top ones are flush. Alright, there you go. Doesn't look too bad, right? Now we get our tape. This will just cut down the 60 cycle hum when they get them wound. Make it look cool too. You get kind of like a red. You get a red under wrap. You know, I might even wind these later on today. Why not? Alright, so there we go. on there. Leave them on there. Maybe they'll magnetize on their own a little bit. They're gonna go just like that. Just like that. Like I said, we'll just leave them there set magnetize. And they should be ready to wind, like later today. Why not? Alright, why not? What's actually stopping me from doing it? Me? Anyway, alright. Alright, you guys. It's been Brothers J. That's what we did. Maybe later on we'll wind them. You guys rock. Have a great day. Later.